Good day, my name is Tobile Ngcobo. I am Business Development Manager for Sanlam Corporate Investments. Today I will provide an update on the investment performance for the Sanlam Wealth Creation Lifestage strategy for the third quarter of 2024 and the market update. The strategy is designed to meet the needs of retirement fund members through their retirement savings journey, divided between the accumulation and preservation phases. During the accumulation phase, members invest in the Sanlam Wealth Creation portfolio. This is suitable for those seeking superior long-term real returns and are comfortable with short-term market fluctuations. As retirement nears, the preservation phase begins, transitioning savings into the Sanlam Capital Protection portfolio. This aims to safeguard capital and provide smooth returns. Now moving on to the market update. Risk asset rallied further in the third quarter of the year as the US Federal Reserve joined other central banks in cutting interest rates, and the People's Bank of China announced a surprise monetary stimulus package. South African equities outperformed their developed and emerging market counterparts on expectations of mid to upper teen earnings growth, rate cut expectations, and sharp gains in Tencent, which underpinned the Naspers and Prosus share price. Although inflation has eased to below the midpoint of the South African Reserve Bank's target range, the central bank has signaled a shallower rate-cutting cycle, citing risk of higher housing costs, larger electricity price increases, or wage increases in excess of inflation. Moving on to Wealth Creation portfolio performance. The Sanlam Wealth Creation portfolio delivered 5.6% over the 3 months to 30 September 2024, lagging the peer benchmark measured by the Alexander Forbes Global Large Manager Watch median of 6.3. The benchmark returned 5.9% during the same period, driven by the well performance of the local assets. Overweight positions to SA multi-asset portfolios and the emerging market equities contributed to performance, while the alternatives program detracted from performance due to the more stable profile of returns compared to SA bonds and equities, which provided meaningful returns over the period. Holdings in offshore bonds and cash also detracted. Over 12 months to 30 September 2024, the portfolio delivered 20.3%, slightly ahead of the peer benchmark of 20.2%, but below the benchmark, which returned 22.2%. SA bonds allocations contributed substantially to performance, as well as the SA multi-asset portfolio and global equity allocations. Detractors were again the alternatives program, which is expected to contribute to performance in the long term, as well as the positions in offshore bonds and cash. Over the long term, the Sanlam Wealth Creation portfolio have beaten both the peer benchmark and the building block benchmark comfortably. So now moving on to the Capital Protection portfolio performance. The Capital Protection portfolio is designed to safeguard against adverse market movements, leveraging the strength of the Sanlam balance sheet to offer protection against negative market returns. This portfolio has demonstrated a consistent track record of generating substantial positive bonuses, achieving an average annual return of over 8.5% over the past decade. The portfolio returned 2.8% in the third quarter, 8.2% year to date, and 10.6% over a one-year period. In conclusion, the Sanlam Wealth Creation portfolio remains on track with its long-term objective and has consistently outperformed its benchmark. It has also delivered peer competitive investment performance. The Capital Protection portfolio continues to provide predictable and smooth returns while safeguarding members' accumulated assets. These outcomes reaffirm the effectiveness of the Sanlam Wealth Creation Lifestage strategy, which balances growth and stability for members with various investment time horizons, ensuring retirement fund members can confidently progress through their savings journey.